Students, today today we learn about string function. So in previous video we also learned about string function. Now we continue this string function. Our first function is space. So this string function checks whether the string consists of white space or not. So like if I write here a equal to in inverted comma I use space. So it means there is a space. So if I write print a dot is space, then my output will be true. It means this string consists only white space. If I have some string, then I would check print a dot is space. My output will become false because it does not have any space. It has strings. So we try this in Python. So if I write a equal to blank and space and is dot space, then I use the program, run the program, then my output is true. And if I use like any string India, then my output would be okay false because string does not consist any space. Our next function is title. So in previous video we learned about title function. What was the title function? If I write here a equal to India is great. So as we can see, first letter of every word in uppercase. So this case is known as proper case or title case. So if you want to check that particular string in proper case or not, that time we will use this is title function. So like if I write a equal to India is great, as we can see every letter of word is in uppercase. So if I use print a dot is title, then my output is true, and there is no uppercase of first letter in a string, then my output would become false. So we can use this. So if I write here India, I would be first uppercase and is and great. Now I use the function print is title. So my output is true because my string in proper case or in title case. If I write anything, so now if I run the program, my output is false because my string is not in proper case or in title case. So this function is used to check that particular string is in proper case or not. Now my next function is ljust. So this function return the string left justified in a string. So if I use a equal to India, then I write print a dot ljustify ljust 10 and comma star. So after this my string length would become 10 and all string will come to left side and remaining 5 places star will come. So this function returns the string left justified in a string. So we can set any length here. So till remaining character will become this star sign. So I use this. Here I write a equal to India, then I just just it will become 10th and remaining places star will come. So I save the program and run the program. So as you can see, India will become left justified and remaining 5 places star will come. In same way we can do right justify. So our next function is right justify. So string will come in right and remaining places star will come. So we can use any symbol here. So our next function was r justify. This function returned the string right justified in a string. So same syntax as we use in else justify. Our next function is else strip. this function will remove left side space. If intentionally or non-intentionally we have left side space and we want to remove this space, that time we will use lstrip. So how we can use this function? So like if we have, so we will do in other way. So if we have here 1 2 3 space, and now if I print the length of this, len of a, then my answer would become 8, because 3 space will count and remaining 5 is India. Now if I want to remove this space, then how can we use this? I write print len a dot lstrip. So now if you can use this internal function a dot lstrip will remove the space from left side, then we will find the length, then my output will become 5. So as we can see, so here 5 because 3 space was removed by the lstrip function, and after this if you find the length of string, then only India's length will come, so it will become 5. In same way we have rstrip. If we have space from right side and if I want to remove this, now run the program. First I change the function rstrip, then I run the program, run. Okay, so you can see here right side space was removed and length of the string is 5. And our next function is strip. Strip is a combination of lstrip and rstrip. So it is used to remove space from leftmost side and rightmost side. If we have space from both sides, then we can remove this space by strip function. So how we can do this? So if I have space here, now if I find the length, so I use strip function. Now run the module. So here you can see space was removed. First the length was 10, but when I use the strip function, right side space and left side space is removed and total length is 5. Now then our next function is swap case. So it returns the copy of the string in which the all case based characters have had their case swapped. So like if we have India, so then India's first letter I in uppercase and remaining in lowercase. But when we use this function a dot swap case, then all the characters case will be swapped. Lowercase will become in uppercase and uppercase will become in lowercase. So this will become my output. So you can use this function. If I write here in uppercase India and print a dot swap case, that's it, we run the program. So देखिए, so India all the case will be swapped. So today in this class we complete our string functions. So we learned today is space, is title, ljust, rjust, is strip, rstrip, strip and swap case.